If you want to move data to or from your memory card on a Realme Note 70T, then first of all, we need to open the file manager. In our case, it is the Files app by Google. So let's go ahead and open it. And after that, if you want to transfer something from the internal storage to the memory card, you can, for example, try to open, let's say, an image. And over here I have these images that I have on my internal storage, so I can press and hold my finger in order to select these images. There we go. I can keep selecting, and I can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and I can choose Move To, and then I can go ahead and select SD card. Then I need to choose where I wanted these photos, in this case, where they should be placed. So I'm gonna use this folder over here and choose to move here. And there we go. Of course, we can tell, at least in this case, if a photo is saved on the SD card by looking at this icon over here. If it doesn't have this icon, then of course it is on the internal storage. You can also go to the internal storage over here from all storage section, and you can transfer from here as well. So whenever you find, you can select it and then choose Move To, and you can choose the SD card. And of course, if you want to transfer from the SD card, then it's pretty much the same story. You just have to find the file that is saved on the memory card. You can select it, tap these three dots over here in the top right corner and choose Move To, and then we can choose internal storage instead, and we need to choose where it should be placed. So this is how we can transfer files between an SD card and the internal storage of your Realme Note 70T. And of course, just like in the case of internal storage, we can also open just the SD card over here, and we have the whole access to all folders and files that we have over here. So if you want to transfer something here, let's say these files, then I can just select them as well. There we go, and I can choose to move to the internal storage. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.